Blah, blah, blah. We're cutting open the package. Slice, slice. And this little knife has a sentimental value because the TSA airport guys confiscated it for me on my last trip. And I had to pay $2, almost $3 to ship it back to myself. All right, here we go. Oh, yes. And they still include the sticker. So it's been a while. It's been months since I've gotten a Barton watch band. And they're not my official sponsor. Perhaps one day. So the packaging is nice. It's very simple. Ziploc. And these come with a 1-year warranty. Oh yes, even better. They do come with 2 sizes. So this should be the 20mm band. And if we zoom in there, that's hard to see because it's on black, but that does say 20mm. So this is specifically for the Samsung Active 2. So we're going to pop these off because these are actually for the Garmin. And they kind of fit, but not really. So now we're going to just put this in, and I'm going to go for the orange. This isn't like fully reversible, but I figure, it's fall, and I really like the color orange. Oh, yeah, I like that. And I believe this is the gunmetal clasp. And that's what's really cool about Barton. Not only are their bands affordable, these retail for about 15 or so. Let's see here. So, pumpkin orange top, black bottom, elite silicone, yep, gunmetal gray. So you can customize the color of the clasp. Awesome. So we'll set that aside, set that aside. So we have that. So if you look, it's a different texture. It's a lot thicker. It feels really good. It almost looks like you could reverse the color, but not quite. So now we'll just measure this up. I'm already using this size band. So I should be good to just keep with the small. So these are the quick release. You just pop it off and pop on the new one. And then whenever I take my watches off, I clean the sensor. I mean, I haven't been running for hours, but it just gets kind of murky. And I think this gives you a better data collection. And I was clean screen. So, awesome. So this band, you can see it flexes a lot more when I had the Garmin band on. It just happened to fit. I was pretty surprised. It was really tight. It was a real tight fit, and the watch was a little uncomfortable at times. And set that aside. So just to compare, this watch came out 10 years ago. This is a Fossil. The battery is dead. Yeah, see how thick that silicone is on watches 10 years ago. Fossil's awesome, by the way. They also do make a smartwatch. I reviewed it earlier. I'll put a link in there. Here's another Fossil watch that I got as a gift. You can buy these type of bands, this metal, what's it called? Kind of like a chain link almost. They're really comfortable. They don't really grab your arm hair. This is a really old watch, and yet the band has stood the test of time. This was an REI special. I believe this retailed for $300 or $400 back in the day. This is the Suunto Advizor HR. The battery went dead. You can see right there, there's a bubble. Pretty awesome, actually. So this was for the compass, and you wore a heart rate strap around your chest. And yeah, it was a cool watch. But this watch was purchased back in 2000, and it's still rocking. No cracking, nothing. And then lastly, one more. This was a present from New Skin Enterprises. You can see their nice logo on there. Another Fossil. This is a really fancy clasp. This will not come off. I've gone swimming with this. It's waterproof. Most Fossil watches are. So, back to the Barton one. I really like it. Let's see how it looks on my skin. Nice little pumpkin orange. Easy to put on. And I like how it has 2 clasps. So you don't have a... Oh, nice. Let me take this off so we can zoom in. So this has a new feature that a lot of watches have been doing. Garmin's done it. you can see right there, there's a little clip, a little tongue. So on this one, it has a little tongue that clicks right into the band itself so it doesn't move around and you're not adjusting it all day. Yay! Thank you, Barton. I'm glad you care about your products. So we'll just put this on. Slides through. Nice fit. Perfect fit. It actually fits even more tightly than the Garmin band. Shocker. And there we go. Barton watch band compared to Fossil's. 3 different Fossil bands over the last 20 years and a Suunto that's definitely, well, the design probably came out in 1999. So yeah, this is a vintage antique. Look how big that is compared to the Samsung. Holy cow. What is that? Twice as thick? Anyway, but it does have always on display. Oh look, AOD, always on display, always on display. And when the battery is charged, again, always on display. Well, and there you have it. There's the Barton watch band for the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2. It's 20mm band, and yes, it does come with the large size. And then I went ahead and just put on the small, and it works awesome, looks great. Love the pumpkin orange. Thank you, Barton, for sending me this. And yeah, simple packaging, awesome, 1-year warranty. They have really great customer service. So in 2 months from now, if I decide I don't like this or there's anything wrong with it, they'll either swap it out or give you a full refund. So if you have any questions, let me know. Again, this is PH Digital. Thank you for watching. And please like and subscribe. And we'll see you in about 73 hours. Goodbye.